Hi, gents. Just a overview about what I want you to cover in our double lesson today. You can see the screen here. You have Module A, narratives that shape our world. In we go. Now, you have already gone through up to and including Module A and dystopian fiction. So, for example, you've done parts 1, 2, 3, 4. You had those readings that I wanted you guys to look at in the last lesson. And of course, then you needed to sort of make sure that you have tasks that you can give us 3 points about how Clockwork Orange operates as dystopian fiction. So today, what I want you to do is we click next, you go into historical context, values, and anxieties. To navigate to that, I'll just go back to home. It's just this second one here. So when you get your landing page, you click in historical context, values, and anxieties. We have our objectives here. We're looking at these two up here for the double lesson today. So what I want you to do is, first of all, look at task 1, the trailer for Clockwork Orange. Pay attention to the following settings. And then you need to describe the futuristic fictional world that Kubrick constructs and your personal response to it. And how does the text's setting and mood engage, so confront, allure, or alienate the viewer? And to what extent is it familiar or unfamiliar? Okay. Now, this is task 1. When you complete that, I need you to start looking at task 2 extracts from a Clockwork Orange. So you go into this document here, it's a student pack. We open it up, and you will get this landing page. Setting in context. Scroll down. These are the 3 extracts from the text that you have to read and you have to go through. So we have extract 1, extract 2, extract 3 down here. Now, with those 3 extracts, I'm just going to skip down to the bottom of the page, first of all. All right. Now, you have to write a 1-paragraph analysis of each of the 3 extracts above in response to the 2 questions on context and anxieties down here. Okay. So how and what extent does a Clockwork Orange mirror, reflect, respond its author's context? So you can look at any or all, or indeed you could look at 2 or 3 of them. And then same here with social anxieties. Now, to help you with context, to help you with anxieties and tensions and trends development, some really useful resources here, right, regarding Cold War Britain. Okay, so there's key learnings from this, from 0 to 1.5 minutes, and then there's some ideas, understanding regarding the Clockwork Orange. You should be looking to type into this document for yourself and to have it as your reference point going forward, because it's very important that you use context and ideas and understandings with the text. So we have Cold War Britain, 1960s Britain, and then the youth counterculture, the rising tide of violence. Okay, and then you have the Teddy Boys here. Now, you'll see that all of these are hyperlinks. Okay, so if you're on a PC, you just click Control and left mouse button and bring you to a YouTube video here. Okay. Now, you just need to stick to the timing that's there, so 0 to 1.5 minutes. And then there's the second part, you can do this one, 0 to 3:10. Okay. So you need to work through these hyperlinks. Okay, and you need to try and populate this to the best of your ability. Okay. Now, this is what I want you to do for your lesson today. Okay, but in doing the double lesson, but of course, you upload everything to OneNote, and when we look at our timetable, okay, so we have our double lesson here, right, and then we don't see each other in person. Well, not well. Some of you will see in person on Tuesday. Okay, so I'm expecting everything that we've looked at so far, all the work that I have asked you to do from Canvas. I want it all uploaded to OneNote in advance of this lesson. Okay, gents. If you have any questions, just send me an email. We can't do a meet today because we're on PD, but look, there's enough to keep you going. If you need any clarification, just send me an email and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. All right? Thanks, gents. Have a good day.